In the heart of New York City, there existed two drastically different worlds. On one hand, a vivacious heiress lived life amidst opulence. Maggie, as she was called, had all the world's riches, yet longed for a love that money could not buy. On the other side was Sam, the everyman living paycheck to paycheck, an artist by day and a waiter by night, whose passion outshone his circumstances. In a twist of fate, brought together by a chance encounter, they found themselves drawn to each other, not by the lure of wealth or social status, but by an ineffable bond, a shared laughter, a single melody that transcended societal boundaries. Their journey was far from smooth, as they faced the brunt of societal norms, whispers behind their backs, and disapproval from Maggie's family. Yet, their love story shines as proof that love goes beyond materialistic desires and expectations. It's intangible, timeless, and
Alright, this video you just watched, I'll be teaching you how to create this video 100% free using an AI tool. I'll be teaching you how to create this type of video in which you can post to either your YouTube shorts, your YouTube channel, your TikTok and your Facebook to make money. And this type of video is especially common on TikTok, where you can make thousands of dollars for yourself. And I'll also be giving you the opportunity to learn how to create a UK TikTok account, because there are a lot of countries whereby TikTok is not monetized, especially in Nigeria. And if you're in this type of country and you need a UK TikTok account, you can message me after watching this tutorial on how to create this type of video, and I'll give you the process on how to do that. I'll be putting a link in the comment section where you can have access to me. Also, this AI tool I'm talking about is 100% free. 100% free. I'll also be dropping the link to the AI tool in the description of this video. I'll be dropping the link to the AI tool in the description of this video, where you can go there, sign up, and create any amount of video you like. They'll be giving you 100 credits every single day. Every single day you log in, you receive 100 credits, and in this you can create any type of video you like. Just be creative, create any type of video, create a video that people want to watch, and you surely make money. 100% free. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, do well to like, subscribe, comment, and also there is a WhatsApp link in the description below, a WhatsApp link whereby you can join my group to ask questions, to learn about more free updates like this. I remain Biggie the Creator. Let's go.
Please come to your Google Chrome and type this again. Okay, type this hypernaturala.ai. That's all. Then you open. Okay, here it is. You open, and don't worry, is free. Okay, you can create any amount of video you want for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Now click on sign up. Now select Google. Use your Google account to sign in on it. Or Facebook. Yeah, okay, you mark anything next. Now when you see this, don't worry, just click this cancel and remove it. Okay, now come here and select story teller. Okay, so put your content idea, any story that you have in mind. Just come here, give them that idea of that video, that's all, and click generate. Now they have finished writing a script for you. What you do now is to select anyone that you want. Okay, any story you want, you select. Okay, so now because you are making use of this app for free, you can only create 60 seconds video. Now click continue. Okay, and 60 seconds video is fine, is what you need. Okay, now select any platform like TikTok, IG, You understand? Select, you click continue. You select anyone, depends on what your story is all about. Okay, I select this. Okay, you click continue. You select a subtitle, how you want the subtitle to look. I select this one, you click continue. That's all. You click continue again. Continue. Okay, so here you select none. Okay, you select none, click generate. We are done. They are going to generate our video for us now. Okay, now they have finished generating our video. Okay, so this is the
In the
video
heart of Nigeria, a group of longtime friends stumble upon an abandoned, time-worn pool hall. Both its mystery and its story capture their fascination.
You understand now? It's pure story. This thing give more views and more money, more than any other content on social media. Now, very simple. Now you click here to download, export, start exporting. That's all. Now they are downloading it on your phone. Okay, now